Even in these difficult times, there is strong demand from the investor community for cash flow potential property. What better way to market these properties than by accelerated auction marketing? While the processes are similar to marketing residential property, commercial property, multifamily, and land require a separate skill set, experience, and market understanding. Nowhere in the real estate industry is time on market more damaging to property value than in the high cost to carry commercial or lender-owned property markets. The longer one carries these non-performing assets, the more the investor stands to lose while new stewardship is being sought. Conversely, for multi-tenant properties that are producing a significant cash flow or well-sited open land, properties with good demand, the accelerated marketing process will produce a sense of urgency, forcing the market to action and producing the best price in the current time frame. The non-contingent, seller-oriented auction sales contract is ideally suited to the needs of the divesting investor, the lender-owner, and the business operator in transition. I have a long track record as a commercial, industrial, and multifamily investor. It is primarily that experience that led me to become a real estate specialist auctioneer. I understand the time-sensitive nature of these transactions and have found that the aggressive marketing, the competitive bidding, and the exclusive seller advocacy that I offer are ideal for these markets in these times.